Hello everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma, legal advisor at LEXIS and Company. In our previous videos, we were discussed the topic of maintenance, what is maintenance and welfare, and what is personal laws of maintenance under Indian law, and CRPC में section 125. So in this video presentation, we will discuss the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. तो जो द ऑब्जेक्टिव था ऑफ द मेंटेनेंस एंड वेलफेयर का ऑफ पेरेंट्स एंड सीनियर सिटीजन्स एक्ट 2007 का is to legally obligate the legal heirs to provide maintenance to senior citizen. The states under the said act have the authority to set up maintenance tribunal and appellate tribunal in order to decide matters related to maintenance of the elderly, and it also allows the state government to establish old age homes district wise, and senior citizens and parents have the right to approach the appropriate maintenance tribunal seeking a monthly allowance from their children or legal heirs for their maintenance and welfare. Under the said act, maintenance can be claimed by parents, grandparents, and senior citizens, mother, father, whether biological हो और फिर adoptive हो और फिर step हो, can claim कर सकते हैं maintenance in case of parents. It is not essential as per the act for them to be senior citizen. Like both maternal and parental grandparents can also claim maintenance under under this act. However, a condition in order to claim maintenance by parents or grandparents is that they should be unable to maintain themselves. And thank you guys in this video. बस इतना ही. आगे की टॉपिक के बारे में और आगे की वीडियो के बारे में जानने के लिए प्लीज़ देखते रहिए लेक्स क्लिक. थैंक यू.